Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is another nail accessories haul. Nail tech, whatever. Nail decorating kit, whatever. I'll show you. It's also an Amazon haul. So the things I got on Amazon. And I do have one more thing coming, but it said it would be a week or two before it got here. Hopefully not that long. So in this first Amazon, there's the small package. We have, this is the nail art kit. There we go. And this was like $6.99. I will leave the links to everything down below. But yeah, this was $6.99. And so in this kit, it looks like there's oh, that's the box for these glitter things. There is, it's not glitter, it is foils. So there's like a gold, a rose gold, and like a greeny gold, and a silver foil. So I've never played with foils before, so I guess I'll get to now. You know, I love glitter, so now we're gonna play with some foil. So also in here was a very nice set, or a larger set of nail art brushes. I'll show you some of those nail art brushes and dotting tools. Here's the dotting tools. And I hate how loud and like crispy crunchy the packaging is. Okay, so let's take the brushes out. Very lightweight, and I mean, I'll use them, but very kitty paintbrushy feeling. You know what I'm saying? Feels like a child's paintbrush. But the we'll see how they work. I mean, I wasn't really going for the brushes when I bought this. I was going for the dotting tools. But we'll see how they do. I'll use a few of them, and we'll see, you know, how they do. There's a teeny tiny little brush. Teeny tiny. So these were not like the main thing I was going for. They just happened to be in the kit. And I am going to, I need like a little cup to put these in. But for right now, I'll just lay them right here. I was wanting these. And these at my Sally's, like at my local Sally's, and basically the same configuration, was $10 in itself. So I wanted the dotting tools more than anything. So here are the dotting tools, different size dots, just to do designs like on the nails, make flowers, that kind of thing. And they're double-ended, so yes, and the ends are different. Like this end is really big, this end is really small. So yeah, so dotting tools. The funky foils. And then in this package, I got crumbs on me for dinner, excuse me. We had shrimp and oysters and fish and scallops, and there's a crab too, but I haven't eaten my crab. So 2 packages of, are they different sizes? I think this one might be a little bit bigger than this one. I don't know, I can't really tell, but 2 packages of rhinestones, so that's kind of neat. I think there might be different size, I don't know. And then lastly, how many colors is that? It is a package of like the nail striping tape, and look at all the different colors. So there is, it's hard to tell. Well, they're all individually like wrapped here. Okay. There's a gold, a silver, a red, a light blue, that's two, yeah, a light blue, like a rose gold, a white, a purple, a royal blue, a green, and a pink. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different colors of nail striping tape. So that's kind of cool, and they're all metallic looking. So that's everything that was in that kit. And like I said, it was $7. I mean, and then I got this. Now this one, the reviews were pretty good. I think it was like a 4.5 star. There was a few reviews that were like, don't buy it. And then the rest of the reviews were, it's fantastic. So, I mean, I can return it. I'm going to save that wrapper to put it back in if it doesn't work. This is a Melody Susie e-file. So here's the box. I've not opened any of this up, so I don't know what we're getting here. So let me grab a sip of water. I've never used an e-file, but looks like this. And oh, I dropped something. Of course, I always drop something. So a little pamphlet, instructions, a bag of the drill file bits, and there is a duster brush. There is the cord. What did I drop? Probably like the battery or something. Here is a little pack of drill bits. And then here is the actual little file. And I wanted something small and lightweight. And it is small. Let me see what I dropped. Probably the battery. Oh, no. More little buffers. So let's put this in down here and see what it does. I'm not going to use it on my nails because I don't want to repaint my nails right now. I just did them a couple days ago. I'll probably redo them Sunday evening. I usually redo them about every week. So the cord is nice and long, and I was wanting that. I have a power strip under my desk. This is very cheap sounding, but this was $19.99. So reverse and forward, and then you have a speed control. Oh yeah, you can hear it. And then off. Okay, so I'm probably getting ready to mess up my nails. Let's see. I think this one. How do you get your you just drop it in there? Yep, you just put it in there. So I might actually get a different one than this. This one is really cheapy. Huh. Is that as far down as it goes? I mean, it seems like it's sticking up really far. So yeah, I might play with this one until I get used to using it. Then I might get one that's a little more. That did get in right around my cuticle really good. I'm just going around like the dry skin around my my finger. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this one, so we'll play with it. And we'll try it a couple times, and I'll let you guys know if it's worth it. Oh, there we go. I'll show you. I'm doing like around, see that? Around the cuticle area. So, I mean, it's working. I don't know. I mean, for $19, I probably will use it for a little bit and upgrade to a better one. But we'll see how this one works. If I don't like it, I will send it back. I'd rather have one though that like you like open and close. You don't just put it down in there like that. This is a different bit. Huh. To me, it's not really sanding a lot of the skin, so I wonder what it like feels like on the natural nail. But I don't have it up really high. Okay, I just took it across the edge of my nail to see what it would do. Okay. It definitely took some off my nail, so all right, we'll definitely give it a try. Turn that off. But yeah, guys, that was $20. I mean, to practice with and use. I think it'll be okay. We're going to give it a go. I'm going to put it in my top drawer for right now. But that is what I got from Amazon. See this little brush. I do have one other thing coming from Amazon. Here's the brush. Just to dust off, you know. Pretty good. And then I had the cuticle oil pen from my other kit. Put a little bit of that down. If you didn't see that video, I will leave it linked up above. I did a really big like nail polish and gel polish haul. This was in there. But I'm going to start doing more with my nails just because they look terrible underneath. Thank you, psoriasis, so much. But I'm excited. Try some nail art. I used to love doing the like the little water decal stickers and things like that. That was many a year ago, but nice. All right, guys, that is it. Super quick little video. We will definitely be trying these probably Sunday because I'm going to take this off and switch it to something else. So we might get a video, a nail video. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my giveaway video that I have going. I'll leave it linked up above too, and also down below. I'll leave the links to both of these. So if you want to check them out, no way affiliated with Amazon. I don't have an Amazon store or anything like that. So it's just easy for you to go check out if you wanted to check these out. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.